In this video, we've got the ultimate guide to squash that Instagram black screen issue on your Android device. Before we dive into troubleshooting, take a quick detour to the Down Detector website to check Instagram's server status. If there are any huge spikes in the graph, it means the Instagram app is down. If the problem still lingers, it's time to clear Instagram's cache. Press and hold the Instagram app icon, tap on the eye icon or App Info. Navigate to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. Lastly, uninstall and then reinstall the Instagram app. Press and hold the Instagram app icon, tap on the eye icon or App Info. Tap on Uninstall and confirm by tapping on OK. Then head to the Google Play Store to reinstall the app. These fixes are surefire solutions for you. Want to level up your tech game? Subscribe to Guiding Tech and dive into one of these specially curated videos for you.